What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So a lot of people tried to tell me about Kaspa. They tried to tell me that things were going to move. And I made maybe 3 videos about Kaspa and where it has gone. And not saying today, but I made 3 videos about Kaspa before this. And as I wanted to see some sort of a pullback, it just wasn't fitting my strategy. And it still doesn't fit my strategy. I don't know if I'll make an investment or make a move into there because honestly, it's not about whether I feel like I'm missing out. It's more about where I stand currently. As things are moving, I never make an investment in anything that moves an aggressive amount. If I miss out on the opportunity, I miss out on the opportunity. There are plenty of opportunities in crypto for everybody. And I think when you started trading with emotion, you start getting into a place to where now you set yourself up for failure. That's the first rule in a lot of day trading books and swing trading books and investing books is never trade on emotion. Because if you're just trading to try and get whatever you lost back or to gather what other people gather, it's not going to work out for you. So I wanted to go through Kaspa with you guys and tell you, yes, of course, I'm upset that I didn't buy it at a lower point when it was around 4 cents. And that's for all the people that want to hear me suffer and say, see, I told you so about Kaspa. And those people in the comment section are going to be like, I told you so. I told you should have bought in at 4 cents. It was at a low point. You can't wait for it to come back at 3.5 cents. And honestly, the reason why I was doing that was because it didn't look like, if we didn't see a major push in the overall markets, that it looked like we were going to see it come back to that level because it saw these major moves that you need some form of a retracement. And I don't know how strong the retracement will be now. I haven't actually gone into it and checked because it has moved quite a bit over these last couple of days. But congratulations to a lot of people that have already made money with Kaspa. And whether you sold it or whether you're holding on to it, still congratulations either way, because you have something that's worth not only $1 billion market cap, but a $2 billion market cap. So let's talk about this, guys. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out some of the links down below. It does help out the channel. And if you want to follow me on Twitter, follow me on Patreon, or follow me on Rumble, those links will be down in the description, and you can join me on Rumble and get the same type of content that you do have here. Maybe just a couple more videos or a couple more live streams that are included. But anyways, if we look at Kaspa, it's currently sitting at 8.6 cents. It's up 17% on the day. Volume of $151 million, and we're seeing a 134% increase in volume. Now, you look at the price and it looks phenomenal over the last day, the way that it has been moving. Obviously, just taking out this overall drop, this falling off a cliff, which happened on pretty much every position, it looks like you're seeing a little bit of a recovery here, getting back to this point here, and maybe, hopefully, it can break through that point of 8.7 cents. So it looks like it just broke through that 8.7 cents. So it's currently increasing again. Phenomenal. Got all the way up to a high of 9.3 cents, almost at the level of 10 cents, and moving on to basically a $2 billion market cap at that level. Now, it resisted away from the $2 billion market cap and was going to resist away from the $2 billion market cap. I accidentally hit one of the shortcuts, but it was going to resist away from the $200 billion market cap. You can see that that was going to happen a mile away, but still, even just getting to that level of 9.3 cents, even just getting to that level of 9 cents is phenomenal. And I believe it will go a lot further. For me, I don't really have any type of major opportunity in order to buy Kaspa because they don't have any of the places that I usually buy cryptocurrency on. So I don't buy on Gate.io anymore because they're not offered in the US, as well as KuCoin, not offered in the US. I can't buy on basically any other platform. So it would be kind of pointless to make that move either way. And by the time they get offered on that platform and get listed on Coinbase, Kaspa ends up skyrocketing because of the Coinbase volume, right? So for me, it was definitely more of like, what did it do in the past and is it going to retrace? Because as I look at the last 7 days for Kaspa, if it finds a way to come up, that's market cap. Let's go back to price. As I look at the last 7 days, you can see how this has increased and really hasn't had that full retracement. But right now you're seeing a little bit of a retracement just based on what the market's doing, not because of what the position's doing. If we look at the month, this is pushed up and really hasn't had that full retracement. It just doesn't show me the ability to, have strength if it can't bounce off of anything. And I'm not saying that it doesn't have strength, right? I'm not even showing my screen. If it doesn't have strength, it doesn't mean that just because, it's pushing up so far and doesn't have a retracement doesn't mean that it physically doesn't have any type of strength. I just need to see some form of retracement so that I know that I'm buying at a lower point and not at the ultimate high. Because right now it is the all-time high. It's never been higher. If you buy right now, you are buying at the all-time high. And you have the potential chance to increase, but you have more of a chance to decrease, right? And I'm not trying to scare anybody out of the position. It's just my thought process, my strategy, and you should live by your strategy. Now, if we talk about the different opportunities that people have had, yes, you've had opportunities down here. Somebody did mention it to me, I think somewhere around this point when it was rising, and I could have basically got in down here at about 3.4 cents. I was hoping that we would see this pull all the way back down to this level and have a double bounce scenario as it was rising up, because we were seeing it start to pull back, but it didn't end up pulling back. So I know it ended up decreasing to about, 4.4, and I could have bought it then, and I could have seen this larger push and doubled my money if I would have done that. But there are so many opportunities out there. Yes, none that have run like this, besides kind of FTT token. None that have really run like this, but you see a 2,282% return for a lot of people. Let me know if you have that full 2,282% return in your wallet. Let me know if you're still holding on to that. Let me know if you took any type of profit. I would like to know if you had an exit strategy during. If you didn't, then that's okay, right? That's part of your strategy. For me, I'm always looking for that exit, that pulling of my initial investment in order to be happy with what I hold. So Kaspa looks good. I don't think it's going to stop here. I said in my other videos that it could be worth a $20 billion market cap. Maybe could even push a lot further than that. We could see this up to, $1 price and, really, or $21 billion market cap, and see this push up to $1 price with all the hype that we've seen within it. So let me know what you're thinking. Guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more of these videos. Also, if you guys want to check out my Patreon, feel free to check that out. They have this new thing called communities, where you can build different communities. I have a crypto community. I have a stock community. I have a dividend community. I'm about to get rid of Discord because the Patreon communities seem like they're really, really good, and you can use them only on mobile right now. And it's going to basically take up for the Discord level to where you would have all of these accesses to different things. And then I would give access to certain communities to certain people, which would be really, really cool. And you don't have to go to a completely separate platform in order to do that. So it's really interesting, honestly. And I'm going to keep pushing away at doing that. But yeah, Kaspa looks fantastic. Congratulations to all the people that are invested into it, that believed into it, that said it's not coming back to 3.5 cents. Honestly, I did think it was coming back to 3.5 cents, and I honestly don't know. I would love to see the crypto market continue to grow, but with the way things are trending right now, it doesn't look like things are staying very, very positive. So let me know your opinion down below. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.